What's up, Future Forward crew, and welcome back to Shift 100, the channel where we decode tomorrow's tech today. So get this, just when we thought the book was closed, Chevy hits us with the ultimate plot twist. The Bolt EV is back from the dead for 2027. And it's not just a simple reboot. This is the glow-up we've been waiting for. Forget what you knew about the old Bolt. Chevy basically took it to a Silicon Valley boot camp and it came back smarter, faster, and way more connected. Aesthetically, it's an evolution, not a revolution. It keeps that familiar, friendly hatchback vibe, but with sharper lines, a redesigned front and rear fascia, and new lighting that makes it look less like an appliance and more like a proper piece of tech. It's cleaner, more assertive, and definitely has more screen presence. But the real story, the one we geek out about here at Shift 100, is under the skin and inside the cabin. Let's talk charging, because that was the Achilles heel of the original. Chevy ripped out the old slow system and dropped in a beast. We're talking 150 kilowatt DC fast charging. That's a jump from 10 to 80% battery in just 26 minutes. 26 minutes! That's barely enough time to grab a coffee and doom scroll through your feed. Plus, it's the first Chevy to rock a native NACS port. Say goodbye to clunky adapters. You can now roll up to a Tesla Supercharger and plug in like you own the place. This is a massive user experience upgrade that catapults the Bolt right back into the conversation. Inside, it's a total digital overhaul. The centerpiece is the massive 11.3-inch infotainment screen paired with an 11-inch digital driver display. The interface is powered by Google built-in, which means you get native Google Maps and Assistant, but here's the rub for some of you. No Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. GM is betting big that its native OS is all you'll need. It's a bold, slightly controversial move, and you know we'll be deep diving into that user interface once we get our hands on it. To free up space and give it that open concept minimalist vibe, they moved the shifter to the steering column. It's a smart ergonomic play that makes the whole front cabin feel way more airy and spacious. They even added a new passenger side dash storage area. It's these thoughtful little upgrades that show they were listening to user feedback. Now for the powertrain. The battery chemistry is shifting to lithium iron phosphate, or LFP. This is a key move to keep the price tag grounded without sacrificing too much on performance. It's a more stable, cost-effective battery tech. The range is a GM estimated 255 miles. It's not a record-shattering number, but for a daily driver under 30 grand, it's a solid sweet spot. And for the first time, you can option this thing with Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving assist. That's legit level 2 autonomy in an entry-level EV. This is how high-end tech democratizes. Think we're just scratching the surface? You're right. If you want to see a full teardown of the Bolt's new PEC stack and how it compares to the competition, smash that like button and let us know in the comments what feature you're most hyped about. The 2027 Bolt is a statement. It's Chevy admitting they might have pulled the plug too soon, but also showing they've learned a ton in the process. It's a carefully curated package of meaningful upgrades aimed squarely at fixing the old model's pain points while keeping its affordable soul intact. This isn't just a car, it's a strategic play to win back the mainstream EV market. And that's why you need to be subscribed to Shift 100. We don't just read you the spec sheet, we analyze the strategy, the tech, and the impact these machines will have on our future. Hit subscribe and ring that bell because our full hands-on review is coming and you won't want to miss our verdict.